Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Craftomania. So today I'm going to show you how to make these really beautiful earrings. And thank you so much for 200 subscribers. But before we begin, I would request all of you please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. So let's begin. So for making this earring, you are going to need OHP sheet, glass colors and glass outliner, earring hook, earring pin, acrylic color black, molded or M-seal, brushes, glue and aluminium foil. And in place of aluminium foil, you can also use a chocolate wrapper. First, I have chosen a design and shape of my earring and drawn it on an A4 size paper. Now you have to take an OHP sheet, place it right on top of it and put clips so that it does not move while we are going to paint on it. Now we are going to use a glass outliner to draw the outline of my design. Now I have done the whole outline with the use of the glass outliner, and I am filling the designs with the glass colors. So I have done coloring both of my earrings, and I have not cut this one, I have cut this one, and now I will cut this one afterwards. You have to take an aluminium foil and you have to crumble it so that it has this kind of texture. Now you have to take a cardboard paper. Now we will take a circular object for drawing a circle on the aluminium foil. I have folded it so that we can get two circles. Now we will take the cardboard paper and draw two circles on it and cut it. Now we are going to make the earring pins. So first I have to take this kind of pin and put in a bead, which is of your choice. Now we are going to fold it, and for folding how much you want, that much you can measurize and cut it. So I am going to take this much, so I am cutting it. Now I am going to fold it so that the bead does not come out. But before folding it fully, we are going to put a pin which looks like this. And now fold it fully. So now this is ready. Now we are going to make another kind of pin. So you take this pin and put a bead inside. Then open a place so that we can put a hook through the hole. Now take the hook and put it in. Then close the place which we had opened so that the hook does not come out. So now these two kinds of pins are done. We have to make the same thing for the another earring. Now we are going to mix the molded or M-seal. It comes with two kind of clays and we have to mix it and then we can use it. You can use talcum powder so that it does not stick to your hand. So as I have done mixing, so we are going to make a circle shape. So now I have made the circle out of the molded and I have also made a kind of shape which is the shape of this earring. And now we are going to put the earring on top of the molded. And then we are also going to put the earring pins so that all of it sticks together. Put the hook pin on top and now put the earring right in the middle of the circle. You should put loose so that it becomes much more properly and it will also be more easy. Now we are going to fold the sides so that it covers the whole earring and all the pins stick to it properly. So now I have fully done with both of the earrings. I have also covered it. Now we are going to let the molded or M-seal, whichever you have used, to dry for a while. And after it dries, then we can just color it black color and it will be fully completed. So we have done making these really beautiful earrings. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. And you can also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. I'll be back soon with another interesting video. Till then, bye!